Attention passengers, please listen carefully as we go over the rules to play Codenames. Inside of your Codenames box, you should find the following materials: a bag full of name cards, one instruction manual, 7 blue secret agent cards, 7 red secret agent cards, innocent bystander cards, a double agent card, as well as an assassin card. Included are a stack of key cards and a stand. The game will be played using a blue and red team. Each team will consist of 2 players.
Heyo!
Lit! Hi!
Hello there. Cards should be arranged in a 4x5 pattern, easily seen by all members of both teams. Each team should select a Spy Master, who is the only person on that team who views the key card. Take a moment to orient yourself so that both Spy Masters are familiar with which card corresponds to which tile on the key card. The top left box on the key card represents the top left name card on the board. The object of the game is for the Spy Master to give clues to his partner so that all of their codename cards are selected. A team must accomplish this before the opposition does the same. If a team selects an innocent bystander card, their turn is over. Spy Masters must be careful about the clues that they give so as not to lead their partner into selecting the assassin card. If an assassin card is selected, the game automatically ends with that team losing. The game is played in turns where the Spy Master will give a clue followed by a number. The clue is to indicate which name cards their partner should select, and the number indicates how many cards are to be selected. Since the red team's Spy Master wants its partner to select all of the red cards on the key card, they need to come up with a clue that allows their partner to select just the cards they want. Since the Spy Master can't say the name of the card he wishes for his partner to select, he must come up with a clever hint that allows the partner to choose that one. In this case, maybe the Spy Master wishes for their partner to select Bolt. Since the Spy Master wants their partner to select as many cards in one turn as possible, it makes sense for them to give a clue that pertains to multiple name cards. This is where the number after the hint comes in. However, the Spy Master doesn't want their partner to choose cards that aren't red cards, so they need to be very careful about the clues that they give. If the Spy Master wants his partner to choose Bolt and uses lightning as the hint, this could be misconstrued by the partner. Spy Masters therefore need to be very clever in the clues that they give so as only to direct their partners to the name cards that they want selected. In this case, maybe the Spy Master wants their partner to select the words pants and cloak. They might give a clue like clothing. 2. This allows the partner to understand which cards the Spy Master wants them to choose and how many. The partner guesses a card by touching it. The Spy Master then places a red tile card on that card to indicate that the choice was correct.
Woohoo!
Since the Spy Master used the number 2 to indicate 2 cards, the players are allowed to go twice. Now what happens if a player selects a card other than one of the cards they're supposed to select? Let's say, for this instance, the clothing clue was a little bit confusing for the guessing partner, and instead of cloak they chose hood. The turn ends. A turn ends every time a card other than that team's color card is selected.
Whoopsie daisy.
Or if the guessing player selects the appropriate amount of cards specified in the clue, or they simply don't want to choose anymore. Once a team completes their turn, it's time for the other team to go. To get his partner to choose superhero and unicorn, the blue Spy Master might give a clue such as imaginary 2.
Yippee!
Nice!
In some situations, a partner might guess a card that wasn't the card the Spy Master intended for them to choose, but is still a red card. In this instance, a team will still place their colored tile over a name card. For instance, the red Spy Master might be trying to get his partner to guess torch, so they give the hint fire 1. But instead of choosing torch, the word bolt is selected. The team still places a red tile over the bolt card, and the Spy Master will have to come up with another way at a later turn to get his partner to select the torch card. The black space on the key card represents the Assassin card. Both teams need to be very careful about what clues that they give, since selecting that card ends the game, resulting in a loss for the team that picked it.
Oops. Dang it.
Getting started. You may notice that some of the key cards have different colors surrounding them. The color that surrounds a key card indicates which player team goes first. Going first gives that team a natural advantage. To compensate for this, that team receives the double agent card. This is a double-sided card used by whichever team ends up going first. All this means is the starting team has an extra tile to play. Alright, it's time to begin playing. Refer back to this video to clarify any questions you may have, and feel free to use the instruction manual. Good luck!